In this step, we will close the opening that we left after we stuffed our frog. I'm just going to take a safety pin, and what I'll do is I'll push and squish the stuffing away from the opening, and I will just squeeze those two sides together, the front and the back, and then I'll place a pin right over the opening there, or right next to the line, so that I can make my whip stitches along that edge without battling with the stuffing the whole time. So once you have the pin in place, then I'll take my green thread and I will continue the whip stitches that I began whenever I was sewing the project together initially. And I'm just going to begin where I left off. And I will start by placing my needle between the two layers of fabric or felt, and so that my knot is between the two layers. And then I'll begin making my stitches in the same way that I did whenever I was sewing up the rest of the project, where I just follow the guideline and go right into the next space between the stitch of the guideline. So right there between the running stitches of the guideline into that hole. And I'm just going to follow this line of stitches right up under to the armpit of the frog. You can at this point choose to take the safety pin out and stuff just a little more stuffing in if you feel it needs it, or you can just continue right up the side of the frog, working your way up to close those stitches. I'm almost finished. Now I'm going to make an ending knot. So I think that stitch is a little too far in. Whenever I stitched it to through the front, it was in the right place, but on the back side, it was too far in, too close to the middle of the frog's back. So I'm just gonna unthread my needle and rethread it and begin again. That seems like it's in a better place. So at this point I'm going to make my ending knot. So I'll just make a stitch, and then I have a loop. I'm going to pull my thread or my needle through that loop in the same direction once, twice, pull it tight. And as I said before, I like to make a second knot when I'm working on stuffies particularly. And just do another ending knot, just because it makes the stitches more durable. And I'm going to push my needle in through the fabric, bring the tail out. If I tug on that thread just a little and clip it off, that thread should just disappear down into the stuffing. Now I can remove my pin. First I'm going to park my needle, a good habit to get into so you don't lose it. Then I'm going to take out my safety pin and squish them around a little bit so that all the stuffing settles into the place where it's supposed to be. And there's my little frog, all ready to be dressed. This is the frog's jacket, and you can see that the top of the jacket is this part that has that little swoop. The bottom of the jacket is pretty well just rounded and straight, but the top have two little swoops that go down, and that is where you will slide one arm in and then slide the other arm in, and there you have a nice little vest. And you're all finished.